AdFury backgrounds have three different layers. They have a background color, and then on top of that there's an image, and then on top of that there's an overlay color. And the overlay color is nice because you can make it transparent, and by making it transparent like this, you can actually change the tenor of the image underneath. Let's go through some examples of that. So imagine you have a background color like this, and let's say you want to change the color. So in the section setup form, you click on background color, and let's say you choose this nice blue. It'll change the color to something like this. And then you can add an image, you can add a headline, you can add a form, whatever you want to do. Let's say you want to add some images. The nice thing about AdFury is that you can do all sorts of neat things with the background color and images. So for example, if you want to create a pattern, you can add a pattern image, which looks a little bit like this. Let's get the front scene here. So you see this little square. It's a transparent image with sort of this lacy type of pattern on it. And you see that the image position is in the upper left. And the repeat image right now is set to no. So if you change the repeat image to both horizontal and vertical, then you can effectively fill the background with your pattern, and it looks really nice. And then you can overlay your title and your images and whatever else you want. Let's try a different example. Let's say you want to put a full image that covers the background like this. So you can upload this image. This is sort of a blurry image of a cityscape. And you can see that the image position is in the middle there. It's definitely not repeated, and you want it to scale to fill the container. And it's going to look a little something like this. Now you see the image, your little bunny image there is a bit difficult to see because of the background. So you can change the overlay image to fix that. So let's do that. We're going to put in an overlay cover by clicking on the overlay box in the left there, and we make that blue. The overlay color needs to be transparent though, otherwise you won't be able to see through it. So we change the transparency with this little slider right here. And you could change the transparency right there. It's about 20% transparent. You could just barely see the picture in the background. It gives kind of this moody effect, but it also gives a nice platform for putting your headline and your image and your form.